What's up, travelers? It's Eliz from Means to Travel, and today we have a really fun one for you. So it's another day in our UK travel quarantine where we are in quarantine for 14 days after arriving from the US to the UK in mid-September. And we have a really fun one for you today. So as you might have seen last week, we posted a video of our Ocado grocery delivery haul, which was received on the second day after we arrived here in this country. And we received it at our AirBNB. And so from all of those groceries, we've been really trying to meal plan and create new fun recipes. And I had mentioned in that video that we were thinking about making pear and prosciutto quesadillas with the prosciuttos and the pears that we received. And we had several of you comment that you were interested in seeing how that worked. So we filmed that for you guys today. Well, we filmed it actually a few days ago, and we're gonna show that to you today, as well as we're gonna show you our trials and tribulations of trying to cook American style burgers on the electric grill in our Airbnb. So the moral of this total story, I think, is that you have to kind of be flexible, work with what you have when you're in quarantine, and also, don't take yourself too seriously as a chef, because this was our first time ever trying to cook on an electric grill, and the grill didn't have a stand, so you'll see what I mean. All right, let's roll the tapes, and I'll check back with you guys after everything's done. Hey everybody, sorry my hair is wet. I just showered a little bit ago, so it's looking a little crazy. But we wanted to film just how we're making the pear and prosciutto quesadilla that I mentioned in my Ocado haul video, because we had a couple people comment that it sounded really good. So just wanted to show you guys what the process is and how it turns out. So turning it over to Chef Derek.
Yo, all right, so we first start off with these. I've never tried these before, but these are tortillas that are supposed to be low carb. They're calling it a protein tortilla. So it's a low carb protein tortilla by Carb Zone. So we'll see how these turn out. We really like low carb tortillas in the United States, and this will be interesting to see how they turn out here. So we're gonna start with our mozzarella. Just sprinkle it on, not too much, but enough so that you get a good consistency and it helps everything kind of stick and hold together.
And just so you know, these are gonna be fold over because we have a very small grill pan that we're working with for the size of the tortillas. That one's already cooking.
Most quesadillas are fold over, so
yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so we're doing that. I'm adding a little bit of basil. Just add some Italian herbs. And then we start layering in some prosciutto. So each one's gonna have 2 slices of prosciutto. Hopefully that is enough.
Yeah, we were a little bit low on the prosciutto order compared to everything else that we got that's in this recipe. So we're hoping just 2 slices of prosciutto per quesadilla is gonna be great.
And here is the second. A little bit of prosciutto once this folds over in every bite.
And I already sliced up the perfectly ripe pear from Marks and Spencer's that we ordered, and that's what he's putting.
Right.
Yeah, it is, and that's what he's putting on this quesadilla right now. But I sliced it very finely so that way it lays pretty flat. You can kind of see.
A nice little bit of pear in every bite as well.
Yep.
So that should do it, and then
wait, you forgot the spinach. It adds a lot of color and vitamins and nutrients.
So, a bit of green.
We're hoping that the spinach, just with the higher heat on the grill pan, is gonna wilt a bit and melt into the cheese, so it's a little bit more cooked.
Which should happen.
Yeah.
So, there's that, and then do a quick little aloo. Lost a little bit of cheese there, but that's...
I don't know, it looked really skillful on camera.
And
Let's go
over
check
here we've
on.
already got one going. To flip it. Ooh, look at
that looks so good. I can't wait to eat it.
Okay, and the way to help it get brown and kind of hold its consistency a little bit.
Sorry about that garbage shot, everybody.
with a bit of butter.
Yeah.
So the butter's gonna help it keep its structure when it's all like toasty.
And you don't want it to stick to the grill pan when you're cooking it too.
That as well.
So the butter.
I mainly use the butter for flavoring, and it also helps it, like I said, kind of firm up a little bit when it fries.
And we're using the lactose-free spread that we got, so it doesn't even need, you know, authentic butter. So we're looking forward to eating this. We'll check back in with you guys when they're both done, and we are diving in. Okay. Should we slice it up? There you go. Let's see that melted cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Can't wait.
Kind of juicy from the pear. I think it's gonna be tasty. Grill time? I don't know.
We
Broke this thing out. This is a
just opened a brand new grill.
brand new grill that the owners had here, and let's see how it works. Seemed like it got hot pretty quick. And yeah, we're gonna do burgers. So, first putting down some butter, because why not? Make sure that the meat doesn't stick to the pan, although that shouldn't be an issue with this kind of pan.
This is our lactose-free spread, not real butter.
No, it is real butter, it just has no lactose.
Ah,
It's made with butter. It's not an olive oil or anything.
pardon my speech.
Just want to be right. These are those Marks and Spencer's burgers that we got.
Angus beef patties.
Angus beef patties, and I think they already have some salt and pepper in them. But we did get this steakhouse pepper seasoning that I wanted to try. And so I put it up a little bit. Just put a little bit of seasoning on here. Such a rather large granules.
What our Airbnb did not have was a turner. So what are you gonna use for that?
These came in the thing. It's like wooden spatulas.
Cool.
So these are kind of thick, so I'm kind of curious on how this will work. Maybe I should have repatted these thinner. But we'll see.
So I think we typically do 4 minutes on each side and then keep going longer if we feel like it needs to be. So shall we set the timer? Okay, time for Chef to flip the burgers.
Oh, ow, burns. Ow. Alright, blooper reel. Woo! Alright. Let's get down over here. So
All right.
Grease into my wine.
Don't do as we say, not as we do.
So yeah, let's see if these things are ready to be flipped yet.
The 4-minute timer just went off.
Yeah, I'd say so.
We'll set another timer for about 3 minutes and then add the cheese on for another minute or so. We have some British cheddar that's going on top. So we'll check it in 3 minutes. Okay, we had to move the burgers down because it was splattering so much.
Yeah. So
But it's time
going-
to put the cheese on.
Yeah, we're gonna add cheese. So I like to do a little like fold over on them. That makes it double thick and not as big. So there's less melt going over the edges as it continues to cook and melt the cheese.
The fold over works really well with Kraft singles, but with real cheese type product like these, it's a little bit more crumbly.
Alright, so we don't have any burger buns. And so what we like to use is these kind of like low-carb tortillas. And these are a new one called Protein Tortilla by Carb Zone. And what I like to do, for those of you who are familiar with Taco Bell, so I like to kind of like harness my inner like Crunchwrap Supreme folder and make my own kind of version, but with burgers. So
Do you need to do it with a plate, right?
let's see what we can do. Two of them. Oh yeah! All right, there we go. And right over here. Flip it upside down. Cheese down, and then start the folding.
Wait, do you want ketchup in there?
Do I want ketchup? Do you want ketchup?
Yeah. Here you go. I also brought
Has
up...
it been open before?
No. I also brought up mayonnaise for you because I know you like mixing both. Another pro tip, if you have it, put avocado or guacamole into these wraps because it just adds a lot. And of course you can also do like tomatoes and lettuce. We don't have any of those things right now. So we are going...
Quarantine life.
we are going,
Yeah,
you know,
it's
plain.
kind of like a Crunchwrap Supreme.
Yep.
And then just stick it right back on. And we'll toast it that way.
Alright. Now he's gonna do the other one and we'll check back in.
So these are looking pretty good. They're getting kind of like golden brown, which is when you know they're ready. So, Shazam. Now we've got our own little tortilla burger pockets or whatever they're called.
They're definitely a burger pocket, but they're pretty good. Can't wait to dig in. Alright, Derek's cutting mine for me. Looks good.
Pretty good.
Alright, dinner time. Just when we thought... So Derek finished his first burger. He's cooking his second, and Buttercup showed up. Curious what we were doing over here. What's Derek doing?
Now I'm keeping the hot plate away from the cat.
I know, it's like we had it on the ground, but obviously don't want to hurt this little guy.
Yep, what's up?
I think Buttercup likes your cooking, babe.
Yeah, clearly.
Alright, well I hope you guys really liked watching our attempts to be good chefs in quarantine here in the UK with the groceries that we have. I'm going to also leave in the description below here on YouTube the list of all of our meal plans so far and what we have cooked, what we're thinking about cooking throughout the entire stay here. So that way, if you guys are also planning a trip to like an Airbnb, ordering similar groceries, or even at your house and want to kind of copy what we're doing, you totally can. So hope you guys found this video either helpful or entertaining or both. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up below. And also don't forget to subscribe to definitely see all of our future travel videos to come, including our 14 days of quarantine as we go along. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers and happy travels. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.